everyone, it's Lourdes Galang of Wealthy Moms Club. So for those who are asking what they can get in our MSI course once you purchase it, MSI course is an online course for mom that will teach you on how to create multiple sources of income. And this is an online course I have personally created based on my experience. So here are some of what you can get when you purchase this MSI course. Of course, number one dyan, yung how to create multiple sources of income. I mean, that's the main objective, that's the main goal, main purpose of this online course to teach moms how to create multiple sources of income. And it's very important that as moms, we know the importance of having multiple sources of income. So just imagine if you only have one source of income as a mom, kung mawala ka dyan sa full-time job mo, matanggal ka, or let's say you need to resign because of a situation, or you have one full-time business that you're currently doing, and let's say something happened with that online business that you're currently doing. So kung isa lang yung source of income mo as of the moment at wala kang backup plan, wala kang other sources of income, I'm sure alam nyo yung effect nun when it comes sa financial provision, sa budget, sa financial situation ng family mo, di ba? It will affect your kids, or if you have a husband or a partner right now and you're contributing to the income of the family, syempre maapektuhan yung percentage ng contribution mo. And also the financial situation, the whole financial situation of the family. And I'm sure a lot of us as moms, alam natin yung kahalagahan ng pagkakaroon ng backup plan. Kasi mahilig tayong gumawa ng mga plano at marami tayong mga plan A, plan B, plan C. Although, ang pinaka-ultimate plan talaga dapat natin is to fully depend on the Lord. And that's something also that you will get in this MSI course on how to learn to fully depend on the Lord when it comes to financial provision. So another thing that you can get in this MSI course is that you can learn the possible sources of income for working moms. So I've actually separated yung possible sources of income for working moms, for single moms, for stay-at-home moms. Kasi iba-iba tayo ng season eh, di ba? Merong mga season wherein you're a working mom full-time and iniiwan mo lang yung mga kids mo with a helper or a yaya or with your husband or partner, maybe siya muna yung nasa bahay, taking care of the kids. So there are sources of income that you can add up or that you can do as a working mom. And also as a single mom, syempre mas mahirap din yung situation na wala kang partner or husband at ikaw lang lahat, di ba? Taking care of the kids, taking care of the house, taking care of all the errands, and at the same time building your online business or working full-time. I mean, it is a different season for single moms out there. And there are possible sources of income that you can do as a single mom na pwede mo pagsabay-sabayin. And also for a stay-at-home mom. It's also hard to look after the kids. I mean, 24 hours, 7 days a week ang pagiging stay-at-home mom din, di ba? And also if you're looking after a husband or a partner, and at the same time your household. So there are also possible sources of income that a stay-at-home mom can do. So these are what you can get in our MSI course in whatever season that you are in, whether you're a working mom or a single mom or a stay-at-home mom or even a working student mom right now. There are possible sources of income that you can do at pwede mong pagsabay-sabayan so that you can create your own multiple sources of income. And also, you'll be able to learn how to manage your time as a working mom, single mom, or stay-at-home mom. As I've mentioned, di ba kung pwede lang natin hatiin ang ating mga katawan bilang mga nanay, bilang mga moms. So may work na tayo, may business na tayo, may family pa tayong dapat alagaan, kids, husband. We have a lot of errands to do sa household natin, menu planning pa, pag-iisip ko ano lulutuin for the day. So how are we able to manage our time wisely? Hindi lang dapat management of time, but wise management of time. So these are some of the things that you can also learn in this MSI course, and also how to get started in creating your multiple sources of income for moms. So I'm sure we've gone through that phase wherein there are so many questions in our heads, in our minds, in our thoughts. Kaya ko ba? Or we need to be encouraged to know that it's possible to create multiple sources of income, or it's even possible to actually start our online income generating idea or the business idea that we have been thinking of, especially yung mga online business ideas na yon. So with this MSI course, what you will get is the encouragement that it can be done, it is possible, as long as we also depend on the Lord because nothing is impossible with the Lord. So these are just some of the things that you can get in our MSI course that will eventually help you in creating multiple sources of income for yourself and for your family. One more reason why you should purchase this course or buy this online course, the MSI course for moms, is because you can resell this course and start earning and then get value for your money. So for those who wants to purchase multiple sources of income for mom's online course or MSI course, if you're on TikTok, just click the link on my profile. And then once you click the link on my profile, you will see the multiple sources of income for mom's online course. Just click that link and then follow the instructions. You will also see the details, okay, on that particular website, what's inside MSI, the price, and how you can pay for it. Now, for those who are watching this on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, just click the link that I have posted on the description box and follow all the instructions on the website where you will see the details for our MSI course or for the multiple sources of income for mom's online course. If you have any questions, just message me or contact me on the following contact details. Okay, so you can send me an email, contact me on Viber or even on WhatsApp, or you can DM me on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. You can also join our Wealthy Moms Club PH community. It's a Facebook group. So you could also interact and be encouraged with other moms who are also on their path of building their multiple sources of income. So thank you, and I'm looking forward in seeing you in our Facebook group at Wealthy Moms Club PH community, and looking forward to be working with you in building your own multiple sources of income. Thank you and God bless.